If You Give a Pig a Pancake by Laura Numeroff and illustrated by Felicia Bond. If you give a pig a pancake. If you give a pig a pancake, she'll want some maple syrup to go with it. You'll give her some of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably get all sticky, so she'll want to take a bath. She'll ask you for some bubbles, and when you give her the bubbles, she'll probably ask you for a toy, so you'll have to find your rubber duck. The duck will remind her of the farm where she was born, and she might feel homesick and want to visit her family. She'll want you to come too. She'll look through your closet for a suitcase. Uh-oh, she's making a big mess. Then she'll look under your bed, and when she's under your bed, she'll find your old tap shoes. She'll try them on. She'll probably need something special to wear with them. When she's all dressed, she'll ask for some music. You'll play your very best piano piece, and she'll start dancing. Then she'll want you to take your picture. So you'll have to get your camera. And when she sees the picture, she'll ask you to take more, and then she'll want to send one to each of her friends. You'll have to give her some envelopes and stamps and take her to the mailbox. And on the way, she'll see the tree in your backyard. So she'll want to build a tree house. So you'll have to give her some wood, a hammer, and some nails. When the tree house is finished, she'll want to decorate it. So she'll ask for wallpaper and glue. I love it. When she hangs the wallpaper, she'll get all sticky. Feeling sticky will remind her of your favorite maple syrup. She'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if she asks you for some syrup, she's going to want a pancake to go with it.
The end.